So when you come to Gemini, you first of all activate this, like I already do, and I always do my prompt already. So I just copy the first prompt, and I'll be making the prompt link available in the description. I just discovered that the prompt is always changing because I use the same file. I'm sorry for that. I'm making the correction in this video. So I'll paste the prompt, and then I am going to go ahead and change it. Now you can use an image for this one. For instance, would type a sword and send it. Now we're using the thinking model and Nano Banana Pro is activated, and hit it immediately. Within few seconds, your image is ready for you. Bingo! A reinterpretation of a ancient sword with it mystical stuff, and then it's looking very, very beautiful. The same prompt, you can go ahead and paste that same prompt and then upload an image, okay? So you're going to upload an image for this one. You're going to upload the image, go ahead and then smash up with the image, let the image load up, and then you send it. Bingo, you can also see an asset of this same style, the interpretation of this in an ancient way, but then this is more of a human part. So let us head on and get my second prompt. So copy this second prompt, and this second prompt need image. Now if you come to the document and say image by the side, just know you need to upload an image beside it for you to get what you want. So let us go ahead and input my image and then hit on the send. Bingo, you can see we have something like a plane exploding and someone falling, like a cinematic movie scene. Alright, so moving on to the next use case, the Nano Banana prompt use case 3. So this also requires us to upload an image. So go back and paste this over here, and then head on and upload your image. And like I said, everything that will be made available in the description, the comment section. Now smash on the send. Bingo, so you can see this are the type of stuff that are blowing up widely on Instagram, waiting for a new year in advance. Happy New Year to all of you. So if you're anticipating the new year, this is the stuff that you're going to be using. You can use a picture of yourself, you can use a picture of loved ones, you can also use a picture of someone you want to wish a happy new year, and then generate this and send the person. It looks so nice, and this particular stuff is blowing up on Instagram, posting, it gets a lot of attention. So you make sure you go ahead and download it into your PC for usage. Now heading on to the next use case of the Nano Banana, the use case 4. So this also requires us getting a reference image. So go ahead and upload your reference image ASAP without wasting time, and paste your Nano Banana prompt and smash it. Bingo. So you can see these are the type of stuff that are blowing up on Instagram. A street vibe, colored background, and this looks like a cinematic movie music video shot and something, and it's really, really, really nice. You can also go ahead and generate or download this. Now moving on to the next use case, the prompt 5. So the number 5 on the Nano Banana use case over here, we are still going to be using and reference image, guys. So you just gotta get an image that you're gonna be using for your references, because it's gonna be needed a lot, guys. You can download your images for free. The quality is 100%, and you just have to put the prompt and smash. The link of the prompt will be made available in the video description. If I watch this video to this extent, please go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think about this. Alright, so you can see an artistic workflow of Tom Cruise in a drone form alongside the image I uploaded. So you can also do this for female. You can use it for any celebrity you want, guys. Moving on to the use case, the Nano Banana use case. Now, this doesn't require an image, but we have to do some tweaking. So let me show you how we get that done. So let us say we are using Google. Okay, so let us smash it up. Bingo. So you can see it gave us a Google design, a Google logo with a reflection of letters below. You can also use that same prompt to paste it and then use something else. Okay, let us use stuff like Instagram. Smash, and let us see what it gives us. Bingo, you can see this Instagram design logo with a reflective stainless flash below on the ground, and how beautiful it is. You can use this for your own post, your own social media advertisement. Now moving on to the use case 7, the Nano Banana Pro use case 7, and this actually requires us having an image. So I will show you what you can actually do with this. So go ahead and add, then smash on with the image, go and smash on with the send, and then let us see. Within few seconds it will generate it for us. Bingo, this is an artistic drawing of a man, a sculpture, like more of a more of a sculpture, more of a tracing, a drawing with pencil stuff, and it is giving that vibe of real art feels, guys. So moving on to the use case 7, Nano Banana Pro use case 7. This doesn't require any image, so let us go ahead and paste this. Please always make sure you read your prompt to be able to understand everything you need to do. So send it and let us see. Within a few seconds, Nano Banana Pro will generate something amazing for us. So guys, you can see this beautiful 2-dimension act given to us of a drawing and then a real natural forest atmosphere, guys. Moving on to the next use case, in Nano Banana Prompt 9, we are going to be using something different with this. So copy and head back. Okay, so everyday object, let us say we are using a spoon. Let us use a spoon. Then send. Within a few seconds, Nano Banana Pro is going to be generating something amazing for us. So you can see this is an amazing city of a giant spoon in a miniature city looking like a statue or something. Alright, so you can still use the same prompt, everyday object. You can use the same prompt. Now, you can go ahead and change this particular prompt to your image. For instance, you can upload your reference image and use it as your point of contact for the video. So let us upload this image and send it and see what it generates for us. Boom, this is a beautiful monument picture of the image you just uploaded, guys. So let us move on to the last use case, the last prompt we're going to be using. So copy this and head back to Nano Banana Pro, paste it. Now you need to do some tweak. Let us use Google again. Use Google. You can use it as much, and if I watch this video to this very end, please do not forget to also like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, guys. So I would be giving you extra prompt. I'll be giving you extra prompt in the next video. So if you enjoyed this video and if you want a part 4, just comment part 4 below, and I'll be making another video for free, giving all the prompts for free, and boom, this is another beautiful, highly clickable and action-packed design of a Google with slashing colors. You can also do this for same stuff for Apple. Okay, let us say we are doing the same stuff for KFC. Just write KFC smash and let us see what it gives us using a KFC logo. Bingo, you can also see a KFC design with a slash color has been given to us. Now imagine you want to use the same prompt again and then using a reference image. Alright, so you can just add it and then bingo, there you have it, a slash color around the image we uploaded. And this is all for the video. Like I said, the prompt link will be made available in the video description. You'll go ahead and watch this video to the very end. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell. See you all next time.